Good day guys, linis pala tayo ngayon ng window type na aircon. Ituturo ko na rin sa inyo yung parts and function of each window type aircon. The main parts are the compressor, condenser, the evaporator, and the capillary tube. These are the main parts of the window type aircon: compressor, evaporator, condenser, and the capillary tube. The compressor is the heart of the system. The standard temperature of suction in the compressor is 5 to 6 degrees Celsius. It is an engine of an air conditioning system, the part that changes the refrigerant from cool, low pressure liquid to hot, high pressure gas, then back again. So, cycle repeats all over again. From the compressor, the refrigerant gas flows to the condenser. It converts from high pressure gas from a compressor to a high pressure liquid. This is made possible by heat transfer from warmer to cooler substance. From condenser, the refrigerant flows to the capillary tube. It is an inside diameter and is used to control the flow of refrigerant. It also connects the remote valve to the thermostatic expansion valve. Evaporator works opposite to the condenser. The refrigerant liquid converted into gas, absorbing heat from the air from the compartment. The refrigerant leaves the evaporator into a vapor state, low pressure. Then it flows back to the heart of the system, which is the compressor, and the cycle repeats all over again. These are the bases and troubleshooting. The four main parts in air conditioning system. Mapa-air condition or refrigeration, dyan lang kayo ikot guys. Pag may problema sa system o hindi lalamig. I hope you learned something from this video animation guys. Thank you for watching. Soy Soy.